Hello guys and welcome to How to Tutorial. So today in this video, I will show you guys how to change language on ActiveCampaign. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser, go to activecampaign.com from the search tab and log into your ActiveCampaign account. On the left side, you will get to see the campaign features and you will get to see setting as well. Click on it. Here, you will get to see your account information. Scroll down and you will see language. Click on the drop-down button and select your preferred language. After this, click on Save Setting. On the right corner, you shall be notified about the change. And as you can see, the language has been changed. So this was it for today guys, a very easy and simple process. I really hope that the video was helpful for you all. And if you guys like the video and find the video helpful, then do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon to stay updated.